Hello, everybody. It's a pleasure to welcome you. I'm Hannes Gellenberger, working with Schaeffler Technologies. Here we see Christian Kunze from the FVA, German Drivetrain Association. I myself am acting here as a board member of the board of directors of the STLE and also as a member of the annual meeting program committee. This year, we would like to foster the collaboration between the two organizations, STLE and FVA. And for that, we have highlighted and invited a lot of talks from the FVA to present at the annual meeting. And here is a small video to introduce the FVA a little bit more to you. So Christian, please introduce yourself and your role and what the German Drivetrain Association is.
Hello, Hannes. My name is Christian Kunze. I'm Deputy Managing Director of the Research Association of Drivetrain Technology, FVA. We are located in Germany, and we are doing pre-competitive research along the value chain in the field of drivetrain technologies for almost 60 years now. We have conducted more than 2,500 projects so far, and one of the key focus topics is tribology and everything that is where surfaces are in contact with each other. So tribology, lubrication, plain bearings, roller bearings, all is a part of FVA research, and we are proud to present some of our research projects at the STLE annual meeting in New Orleans this year. I have been last year in Atlanta. It was a tremendous show, and I'm really looking forward for the next conference, the next annual meeting in New Orleans, and I hope we see each other there and see many people there talk about FVA, talk about tribology and lubrication. I'm really excited, so let's get it going. See you in New Orleans.
Cool. Yeah, it sounds really like a perfect match. So I'm really looking forward to it, and thank you, and hopefully see you all in New Orleans talking, presenting, networking, and listening. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Stay curious. Bye.